Benefits of rosemary oil with source. Benefits. If you're prone to oily skin, this ingredient will help reduce excess oil production. Rosemary oil will provide your skin with iron, calcium and several essential vitamins. Rosemary oil is an antioxidant, which gives it anti-aging properties. Additionally, it will help prevent damage to your skin from environmental agents. Rosemary oil has a stimulating effect on skin. It improves circulation, which means that this oil can help reduce puffiness by removing excess water from the skin. Rosemary oil absorbs deep into the skin, which means its benefits will go farther than just the surface of your skin. If acne is a concern, you will definitely want to try products with this ingredient. Rosemary oil is an antibacterial that is particularly effective against acnes, which is one of the primary acne-causing bacteria. Now foods, essential oils, rosemary review. Description: 100% pure. Rosmarinus officinalis. Purity tested, quality assured. Aroma: warm, camphoraceous. Benefits: purifying, uplifting. Mixes well with bergamot oil, lemongrass oil, peppermint oil, thyme oil. Extraction method: steam distilled from tops of plant. Suggested use: for aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients: 100% pure rosemary oil. Warnings: natural essence oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.